Hi, Sarah.
Hi. Got a joke for you.
Okay.
I was told this by a little boy on Friday.
Yeah.
What did Adam say on the day before Christmas?
I don't know, Sarah. What did Adam say on the day before Christmas?
It's Christmas Eve. But I thought it's...
Have you done the punch? Oh, ha, ha, ha.
How's looking after Clopton and Shovell going?
Well, do you know what? I'm quite pleased. I think their discipline has improved at no end. You know, they've stopped being a naughty, and generally speaking, I think it's a testimony to my great parenting skills.
You'll certainly have unusual and great parenting skills.
Yep, I learned from the best, Sarah.
I caught them trying to escape out through the letterbox today.
Wow, really?
Mm.
Really? That's terrible. At least it can't get much worse. Ow!
You all right? Mrs. Sock? Mrs. Sock? Mrs. Sock?